Hello and welcome to another fun and exciting point of sale related video. So the purpose of this video is to cover the retail standards that the folks at JUUL have put out, calling it RACs or Retail Access Control Standards. This can be specific to the Cloud Retailer point of sale program, which is designed for this industry. Not only for folks searching for a point-of-sale system, but also as a direct replacement for the very popular Microsoft Dynamics RMS point-of-sale program. There's going to be three parts to this. We'll create a playlist. The first part here is we're going to go over the age verification settings, and we're going to start with the back office. And the back office part of Cloud Retailer is browser-based and access anywhere. So we want to make sure that we have our JUUL items in. And then we're going to define our age verification filter. Notice there's a lot of flexibility here as far as if you want to do categories, departments, etc., or even tags. I went ahead and just made it simple and just said if anything in the JUUL department needs to be age verified. Of course, as we add our items, we want to make sure we save. Because Cloud Retailer is a multi-store program, you also have the option to assign the stores. And then we want to have some advanced settings, and that's setting the age, which in this case is actually going to be 18, at least for the state I'm in. And then we have some options here as far as prompting at the beginning of payment, prompting at the beginning of a transaction, prompting with results in every driver's license scan, and then the format of the age verification comment. The other cool thing, as you'll see in the next video, is that it will put a stamp on the receipt. So if you are ever asked to provide proof past the actual date of purchase, you have a record of it and might be able to sync that up with your security system cameras or similar. So that's it for this video. Next video will be an actual transaction showing age verification, and then we will move on to enforcing purchase limits to comply with the JUUL RACS requirements. Thanks for watching.